Ruby, careful. Let them go first.
Because they're old people.
Ikaw talaga.
Mama,
Okay, go. No. Go. Hold your hand. Hold sa side, please. 18. 17 ata yan, Mi. 17 ata yan.
Hindi, ito yung room.
Ha?
Ano yung room natin? Ano yung room natin, Ma?
18 sila.
Tayo.
Okay. Dito ka na, Mi. Diyan na, dito na. Ma, minto na ka. Bye. Yes. Come, Bob.
Ito yung makasabay sa kanila.
Yes, we'll have
Yes,
our own.
yes. Mama, ito yung room natin. Bahay natin. Balik. Oh, it's open.
Oh my God. Okay, get inside. It is so maganda. Sophie, open the door.
Oh, okay.
Open the windows. The
I'm
door.
so excited to see it.
Yes.
Let's do it together.
Wait lang. Sina, go.
Let's do it.
Sophie. Wow. Okay, careful, ha? Wait lang, careful, ha?
With tayo, brothers and sisters.
Mommy!
Ha? Mami? Makapunta pala tayo kay mami and ama.
Yes. Sophie, careful tayo here. Mommy!